Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to change server in Last Z Survival Shooter. In Last War Survival, your server is known as a war zone. Your base heroes, alliance, rankings, and overall game progress are tied to the war zone where your character was created. You can't freely switch to any server whenever you want. If you're a new player, creating a new character is the easiest option. If you've already made significant progress, you'll need to wait for the Transfer Surge event to move your account. Now let's get started. First, decide whether you want to start over or transfer your existing account. If you're still early in the game, creating a new character is usually the easiest option. Open Last War Survival, then tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Now go to Settings. Next, open Character Management or Manage Characters. Here, tap Create New Character. Now select the warzone or server where you want to play. Confirm your selection and start the game with your new character. Keep in mind that this creates a completely new account on the selected server. Your previous HQ level, heroes, alliance, resources, and game progress will remain on your original server. If you want to keep your existing progress, you'll need to use the Transfer Surge feature instead. Transfer Surge is a special server transfer event that is only available during certain periods. When the event is active, choose a server within your eligible Warzone group. Make sure your account meets the required HQ level or power requirements for the destination server. You may also need an available transfer slot, approval from the target Warzone president, and enough transfer tickets or transfer vouchers. Once all requirements are met, confirm the transfer and follow the on-screen instructions. If the Transfer Surge event isn't currently available, you'll need to wait until the next transfer period before moving your existing account. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.